Welcome to the battlefield, mercenary. Now that you're on site, you'll want to quickly become familiar with the controls so that you'll be ready to face the enemy when the time comes. Let's begin with basic movement. Move with the left analog stick to move your mercenary around the battlefield. Use the right analog stick to look around the battlefield and aim your weapon. A combination of these two actions will heighten your survivability in a firefight. Try to get used to this by trying to keep your crosshairs centered on your target as you move. At times, you will need to get to an objective quickly. Press down on the left analog stick to sprint forward toward the objective. Good job. Now, press triangle to crouch. This will lower the chances of being hit when behind cover and will increase the accuracy of your weapon when firing from the hip. Now press X to jump over cover and proceed to the next objective. To aim your weapon, press and hold the L1 trigger. Aim at your target and press R1 to fire. Now that he's riddled with holes, reload your weapon with the square button. Hold R2 to show your equipment readout. Try selecting a different weapon, which will be located in the topmost selections, or equipment, which will be located in the bottommost selections. Now quickly tap R2 to switch back to your primary weapon. To open the contextual menu, press the Start button. From here you will see many of the options available to you in your quarters. To open the map and get a better view of the battlefield in real time, press the Down button on the D-pad. You can move the map cursor and overhead camera using the analog sticks to orient your view where you'd like. You can also use L2 and R2 to zoom in and out on the map. This is useful for narrowing your sights on a specific item of interest. Press up on the D-pad to open the player list and see how you, your team, and your adversaries are performing in the battle. Information is listed in order of warpoint rank from highest to lowest. Press right on the D-pad to open the support menu. Press X on the selection you'd like. For now, choose Vehicles. If you have one in your inventory, call it in by pressing X on your selection. Vehicles are brought in by RDVs and delivered to you on site. The marker that appears indicates where the vehicle will be dropped. Be sure to stay clear of it, as dropped vehicles can and will kill you. You should now have a basic knowledge of the basic controls. Get out there and make some money, mercenary.